Welcome again to the lecture series on repertories. I am Dr. Kedarnath Longani. I am MD Homoeopath. Today we are going to see the topic advantages or scope or purpose of repertories. First, we will see the definition of repertory. We will see the definition. The word repertory has originated from Latin word repertorium, which means an inventory, a table, or a compendium where the contents are so arranged that they are easy to find out or place for finding something, store, or collection, especially of information, instances, facts, etc. A repertory in homeopathy is an index of symptoms of our Materia Medica with their corresponding homeopathic medicines arranged systematically. Or, repertory is systematically and logically arranged index to the homeopathic Materia Medica, which is full of information collected from toxicology, drug proving, and clinical experience. Repertory is connecting link between the Materia Medica and disease. Rubrics may be arranged in an alphabetical order. We'll see it in Dr. Fatak's repertory, or schematic order, Kent's repertory, or upon definite guiding principles, Dr. Boni Hassan. Now we will see the advantages. The first one, it helps to find a homeopathic remedy indicated for a given case as quickly as possible. Second one, it enables the homeopath to speedily review the many drugs known to have produced the symptoms being studied in a given case. The next one, third one, because of its grading of symptoms, it also helps the prescriber to interpret the intensity of symptoms as demonstrated in a particular remedies. Next one, fourth one we'll see. It helps us to come to a group of drugs. The next one, it narrows the field in the selection of remedy. Sixth one, it helps to make the necessary distinctions between the two competing similar remedies. Seventh one, it serves as a reference and guide in looking up a particular symptom or symptoms that may indicate the SIMILIMUM. Eighth one, it aids in an understanding of other auxiliary medicines like second, third in order of importance. Ninth one, it helps in comparison between several medicines. 10th one, to find out the SIMILIMUM. After taking a case, the physician, especially beginner, is perplexed by a maze of symptoms. He has to categorize, rearrange, and evaluate them in order to construct totality. Symptoms placed under totality will have to be converted into rubrics. The rubric should be located in the repertory. After further processing, the repertory gives an idea about running medicines so that the indicated medicine, that is the SIMILIMUM, can be found out. 11th one, it helps to make the Materia Medica more interesting by restudying and comparing the medicine. 12th one. Repertory is an index to the Materia Medica. Usage of the repertory avoids searching symptoms under the remedies page by page. 13th one. It serves as a reference book. Sometimes the symptom strikes the physician, but he is not able to recall the medicine. In such cases, he can seek the help of repertory. Some physicians have the habit of making keynote prescribing. They know one or two medicines for those symptoms. Repertory expands our knowledge by giving more remedies for keynotes. Sometimes in acute cases, a few characteristics and striking symptoms are noticed, which can be referred in appropriate repertory immediately. Thus, to select the SIMILIMUM quickly, it becomes an essential reference book. 14th one. It helps the study of Materia Medica. The repertory is prepared from the Materia Medica and the diaries of stalwarts. It brings all the information to one place. Thus, the drug can be studied with the help of repertory. Since a rubric enlists the medicine in different grades, Kent has given 3 grades, while Bonigason has given 5 grades. The intensity of a symptom in a drug can be studied, which often changes our idea and decides the final choice. 15th one we'll see. It helps in increasing our knowledge of Materia Medica by checking wrongs, restudying and confirming them. The next one, 16th one we'll see. It is impossible to keep in memory the vast number of symptoms of different remedies in different books of Materia Medica. Repertory can be used as a reference book to find out a remedy indicated for a symptom. 17th one. Helps to find out the complete symptom in the repertory. A complete symptom with all its components can be referred to at one place, especially concomitants, which are scattered in several places in Materia Medica. The next one, 18th one. It helps to study carefully all the symptoms in a sequential order that may appear in a chronic case. Next one, 19th one. By the process of repertorization, one can find out a SIMILIMUM which covers the totality of symptoms of the patient along with due reference to the Materia Medica. 20th one. The knowledge of rubrics and sub-rubrics helps in formulating questions, which is an essential ingredient in case taking. 21st one we'll see. Repertory. Constant use makes a physician efficient. By constant handling, one refreshes his knowledge of Materia Medica, different symptoms and medicines with different grades. 22nd one. Repertory suggests related remedies, which could be helpful for selecting a drug for a second prescription. Bonigason has written a separate section at the end on the relationship of remedies. The next one, 23rd one. It promotes the discovery of a remedy which one had not thought of, which now springs suddenly to mind, or of a remedy of which one knew nothing and which could have never been found otherwise. It serves as a reminder. 24th one. The quest for compiling an updated repertory has not only given birth to many repertories but also to authentic repertories. Modern repertories can also be considered as a source of information. Each medicine mentioned against the rubric also carries the source of information. 25th one. It teaches one to become more particular as to the accuracy of the anamnesis and the subsequent classification of symptoms. 26th one. The rubrics and sub-rubrics in each chapter of a repertory stimulates us to improve the method of case taking by giving new ideas in framing the questions. 27th one. Through the references and cross-references, one can know the similar rubrics. Thus, repertories helps us to select the right rubric amongst similar rubrics. 28th one. Repertory helps those physicians who have not gained a thorough knowledge of Materia Medica. 29th one. Addition of a number of medicines, clinical rubrics, and pathological journals helps in the study of homeopathy in relation to modern pathology. 30th one. With the introduction of the computer in repertory, it has become an invaluable companion both for clinicians and academicians. It helps in the speedy retrieval of the unknown facts. 31st one. Repertory helps in synthesis of new rubrics. 32. When a case is mismanaged by several doctors, it points out a certain medicine or medicines. 33. Sub-rubrics helps us to collect complete details of a symptom in different aspects such as location, sensation, modalities, and concomitant. 34th one. Repertory inhibits the tendency to prescribe a remedy based on one or two characteristic symptoms. 35th. Usage of repertory keeps a physician unprejudiced. 36th one. Even though the process of repertorization consumes more time than the prescription based on keynotes, using computer repertories as a tool avoids the time consumption. 37th one. The grades of different remedies under a rubric can be observed in a repertory, which are differentiated based on proving and clinical verification. 38th one. Different types of repertories are available in the market, which can be selected according to the presence of symptoms in a particular case. Some of them are general repertories and embrace the entire field of symptoms and remedies. Others are confined to special elements or parts of the body. 39th one. Clinical and regional repertories can be approached for selecting SIMILIMUM based on pathological changes and for cases with scarcity of symptoms. 40th one. Proper use of repertory is indispensable to the prescriber, especially in complicated cases and in difficult chronic cases. 41. The relationship of remedies, last one, available in a repertory helps for a second prescription to complete the cure. 42nd one. Repertory provides the study of Materia Medica by observing a single remedy under different rubrics. 43rd one, Repertory makes it possible for a comparative study of two or more drugs. 44th one, references to Repertory helps to refresh the knowledge of Materia Medica. 45th one will see frequent usage of the Repertory helps to improve the knowledge of therapeutics as the physician gets a chance to observe each rubric and their remedies grouped under it. Now we'll see next one, 46th one. Repertory provides the scope for expansion by adding new symptoms and clinical experiences in forthcoming editions. Thank you for listening the lecture on advantages of Repertory. If you like the video, then please do subscribe and share. Thank you and see you soon with the new video.